Here's the puppies, almost 5 weeks old. Well, they'll be 5 weeks on Tuesday. They got puppy food everywhere. There's a puppy poo, Brig. Catch it, hurry up. As you can see, they are completely mobile. Puppies! Puppies! They are completely on dry food now. Ouch! And they love to bite your toes. Stop! Puppies! I'll come over here where it's safer. All over the place. Hey, baby. Who's that? My toes. Who's that trying to eat my toes? They got puppy food everywhere. Y'all playing soccer with your puppy food? Hi. Hi, baby. Who's that? Puppies. Oh, look at all the puppies. Hang on. Hey, puppies. Call them to you, Bree. Call them to you, because I can't get them. There's Zeus. There's Zeus. Who's that, Jaska? Yeah. There's Jaska. And there's Zeus. Oh, who's that in front of you? There's Musby. Mr. Musby. Coco. There's Coco. And playing soccer with the bowl. Point everybody else up. There's Black Girl.
Next Green Girl.
Where? Oh, that's Harley. Say hi, Harley. Harley. You going to Miami, baby?
There's T-Bow right here.
There's T-Bow.
There's Pink Girl.
There's Pink Girl. Hey, 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 no fighting. No fighting. Where's Molly? Is that Molly over there? Oh. There's Zeus. Oh, that's Jaska and Coco. Y'all play nice. No fighting.
That's Molly.
Is that Molly? Where?
Molly.
Where? I don't see her.
Right there.
Oh, there's Miss Molly. Always trying to get into my computer. Molly! Puppy! There's Molly. Hey, sweetie. Hey, sweetie pie. Hey, sweetie. Oh, look at your face. He's a cutie pie. There's T-Bow. There's Harley.
Yellow Girl.
And there's Yellow Girl. She's still available. Alright, this is the puppies. 4.5 weeks old. Say bye, puppies. Say bye.